Good morning, guys. Bonjour. Comment ça va? How are you? How's everybody? Thank you so much. This morning when I woke up, I reached to 100 subscribers. It might not be too much for you guys, but I feel so terrified, and I'm so grateful today when I woke up. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you from my bottom of my heart. I can't believe how grateful I am today when I wake up. And so to celebrate these 100 subscribers today, I want to challenge myself to respond to any questions you have on your mind. You can ask me any kind of questions. It could be professional questions, personal questions, any kind of questions that I can say either truth or dare for my next 200 subscribers, that I might do some dare challenges for all of you guys. I thank you so much, and ask me any questions you want on the comments below, and for my next video I'll be making some question and answer video for all of your questions. I thank you so much, guys. Have a great week, everybody. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay warm. I love you from all my bottom of my heart. Mwah.